Okay, now we study about the sixth property, electronegativity. Okay, electronegativity. So what is electronegativity? If a covalent bond exists between two different types of atoms, then one of the atom has a greater tendency than the other atom to attract the electron pair towards itself. For example, HCl molecule has one pair of shared electrons. Here, as compared to the hydrogen atom, the chlorine atom attracts the shared electron pair towards itself. Therefore, the electron pair is closer to the chlorine atom. Okay, so the atom that attracts the shared electron pair towards itself is more electronegative and acquires a partial negative charge. So electronegativity means attracting the shared pair of electron, that means attracting two electrons towards itself to fill the octet or to keep the 8 electrons in the outermost shell is called as a electronegativity. Electronegativity means what? Attracting the shared pair of electrons towards itself is called as a electronegativity. Okay, for example, they have told 2HCl, and electronegativity takes place where? In the covalent bonds. You have studied in the 9th class what is covalent bond. Covalent bond means takes place between the metal and non-metal. Okay, for example 2HCl. Okay, so H are how many? 2 and Cl 2. Okay, so this chlorine, what is that? 17 and 2 hydrogen. So how many valence electrons are there? 2. And the chlorine, how many are there in the outermost shell? 2, 8, 7. So 7 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it needs 1 electron and it needs 1 electron. So it is chlorine is attracting the shared pair of electron. 2 electrons it is attracting to fill the octet. It is called as electronegativity. So electronegativity means the atom that attracts. Here atom is what? HCl. So Cl that attracts the shared pair of electrons towards itself is more electronegative and it acquires a partial negative charge. Okay, it acquires a partial negative charge. The tendency or ability of an atom in a chemical compound, HCl is a compound. In these two elements are there, two atoms are there, hydrogen and chlorine, to attract shared electrons to itself and thus gain a partial negative charge is called electronegativity. Not only attracting the shared pair of electrons, but it gets the partial negative charge. Why partial means half? Why half partial negative charge, not full negative charge? Because in the covalent bond 9th class as we saw, now for hydrogen also need one more electron and this hydrogen also need one more electron to fill the K shell and this also need one more electron to fill the K, L and M shell. And this also need to fill the 8 electrons and the only 7 is here, only 7 is here, 1 is there. So they both share the electrons. That means in here no donation, no acceptation, both shares the electrons. Here it shares this electron, here also it shares electrons and this also share electron and hydrogen also share electron. So both are sharing the pair of electrons. Than hydrogen, here chlorine has a more attraction of getting the electrons. So after sharing of electrons, chlorine will get the partial negative charge, not full negative charge, partial negative charge, because here not only accepting but sharing the electrons. So it is called as a electronegativity. Okay. So electronegativity means what? The tendency or ability of an atom in a chemical compound to attract shared electrons towards itself and thus gain a partial negative charge is called electronegativity. But electron affinity means what? Here there is a donor and acceptor like this. Okay. So when it is accepting the electrons, it releases the energy. That energy is called as a electron affinity. Okay. So here generally as we move from left to right in a period, the value of electronegativity increases. But when we coming from down a group, the electronegativity decreases. Why it happens? Again, this is because of the metals and non-metals. Metals are left side and non-metals are right side. So it is taking place between the metal and non-metal. Okay. So here that is why when it is going from left to right in a period, the electronegativity is increases. When it is coming from top to down, electronegativity is decreasing, because down there are no non-metals. Okay. So because of this case, so electron affinity and electronegativity are different from each other. Electronegativity is the property of an atom to attract the shared electron pair in a covalent bond with another atom towards itself. Therefore, it is a relative quantity which does not have a unit, whereas electron affinity is the energy released when an electron is added to an isolated gaseous atom, and its unit is eV. Here they have given the difference between electron affinity and electronegativity. Electron affinity means it accepts the electrons, and when it accepts the electron, it releases the energy. That energy is called as electron affinity. That unit is eV. But electronegativity means it attracts there is no accepting or donating, but sharing the electrons. Sharing the shared pair of electrons. When they share the pair of electrons, it gets a partial negative charge. So it is called as a electron negativity. Okay, this is the difference between the electron, and this is the ionic bonds, only the donating and accepting, but covalent bond will take place sharing of electrons. Okay, it takes place between the metal and the non-metal. Okay, so just from the first onwards, once we see here, valency means what? Valency, when we move down a group, valency shell increases by 1. But when we are going from left to right in a group, valence electron increases by 1. Valence electron increases by 1. But here valence shell increases by 1. When we see the atomic size, so atomic radii means what? Radii means the distance between the nucleus and the valence electron is called as a atomic radius. Moving down a group, atomic size increases because shells are increasing, so atomic size increases. Going from left to right in a period, atomic size, atomic size will be decreasing because only the 2 shells are there. Okay. So when we go to the third one, metal and non-metal, moving down a group, metallic character increases, only metals are there. Non-metals, what happens? When we are going from left to right, non-metallic character increases because left side non-metals are there. Okay, so when we see the third one, where is the fourth one? What is the fourth one? Fourth one is the ionization energy. Ionization energy means what? Ionization energy means the distance between the nucleus and the electron. The distance between the nucleus and the electron. It is easy to remove the electron which is far from the nucleus. So here ionization energy decreases. It is difficult to remove the electron which is near to the nucleus. So it is we need more ionization energy to remove the electron. Okay. So the next one is the next one we study about the fourth one is what? Electron affinity. Electron affinity means what? When it is accepts the electron, it will be releasing energy. This is electron affinity. Electron negativity means what? Electron negativity means it will be accepting the shared pair of electrons and get partial charge. So it is called as a electron negativity. So when we see in the periodic table, these two groups are belong to S block and this is the P block. Okay, in the next video I will explain. Thank you, students.